Hey everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. If you have clicked on this video, it shows that within 3 months you want to improve your spoken English. Well, watch the video till the end. In this video, I am going to share 3 months plan which will help you to improve your spoken English. And I often get people who says that from where should I start my English? Then in this video, I am going to share all the tips and tricks and all the methods which will help you to improve your English and which will help you to improve your plan. Alright, I'm Sufi. Let's get into the video. But before diving into the video, if you are new here on my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you feel that there is someone who could learn something from this video, then you can share with your friends. Alright, so first month you have to build your foundation. The first month will be foundational. It means you have to work on basic things. You have to improve your basic vocabulary, day-to-day topics. For example, daily routines. What do you do from morning to till night? What other topics are common which we discuss? So you have to first work on basic things, and you have to divide it into, you have to structure it weekly. Like in first week, what am I going to learn? For example, in first week, you can divide that in first week I am going to learn basic grammars, and it would be simple present, present continuous. So 2 topics you have to take it and work on it properly. Just get a good grip and go for next. In next week, I am going to learn simple past, simple future, something like this. You can structure it like this as per your understanding, as per your requirement. If you know it, that's good. If you don't know, then make a plan like this. It will help you a lot. Second thing which you have to do is you have to find applications where you can go and practice with people. Start reading simple books, simple stories books, and you can find out some applications like Duolingo and many more beginner applications where you can go and have practice. So you can find applications and you can start reading simple text, not advanced which you do not understand at all. So you have to start from basic. If you have a good grip on basic foundation, then you can go for next. Next, what you can do is start listening 10 to 15 minutes every day. Even if you do not understand, start listening, start watching videos. Beginners search on YouTube beginners level videos and you will get lots of videos. So start watching it, start listening, and day by day you will build habit that okay, now I have to do like this. So I would say 10 to 15 minutes you have to listen every day, single day. You have to develop habit. Alright, let's come to the second month. So second month which you have to do is divide topics like preposition. I am going to learn preposition models. In models, structure it weekly. Like in first week, I am going to learn the use of can. I am going to learn use of could. So likewise, you can divide it weekly. For in a month, how many weeks are there? Like 4. So for 4 weeks, you have to divide it. Like in first week, what are you going to learn? In second week, what are you going to learn? Likewise, you can divide it. Now let's come to the third. In third month, you have to start watching, videos related to communication, related to education, related to hobbies. Start watching these kinds of video. Once you have a good understanding of basic, then you can switch to these video. Or if you are a working professional, then you can start watching videos related to your job. And if you are a teacher, then start learning things related to your job. Like what are the words are used, what are the common words which are used in school. For example, when you are in class, what are the things you say? For example, come forward, you go and sit at your place. So these kinds of words you have to learn. And in third month, you have to learn things related to your job. All right. And along with that, you have to listen, you have to speak. Now once you have all of these things, you have a content, but apart from this, you have to practice every single day. Like, take out 5 to 10 minutes and start practicing. Once you have a good understanding, you can start practicing. For example, what are the things you can see behind me? So we can describe about it. There are so many trees, there's a small plant there. How will it come? Now your question would be, how will I describe it? The only thing which you have to do is, like, you have to listen. So whatever the things you listen, you have to just put them in practice. So if you feel that I can't describe, then first watch the videos. Like, you have to watch short stories. So when you watched it, do the same thing. Just try speaking the same thing, and then automatically you will build a habit and you're good to go. If I have to summarize it, first month you have to work on your foundational skills. Second month you have to learn things related to your job. Third month you have to start listening, you have to start practicing, and you're good to go. Your question would be, how can somebody improve within 3 months? See, at least you will improve, right? At least you will learn something new. So you have to follow these techniques, these plans. I assure you that this is going to help you a lot. You will learn something new. All right. So thank you for watching, and if you like it, please share with your friends. If you like it, I really need your support. Thank you. Bye bye.